Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to program your garage door opener to your Hyundai. So depending on what type of garage door opener that you have, it's going to depend which programming method you need to use. Now, I'll be honest with you, it's probably easier for you to try the 3 most common methods than trying to figure out exactly which model garage door opener that you have and then finding the correct programming sequence. So I'm going to go over basically the most common ones. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to reset reset the HomeLink essentially. So you're going to take your first button here and your last button here. You're going to hold both of these together. You're going to get an orange light. When it starts flashing rapidly green, it'll be reset. Now, depending on which version HomeLink and which Hyundai or car that you have, the light color may be different. All right, so once that you have it reset, the next thing you want to do is take a look at your garage door opener. So the first method that you're going to want to try is, if you look up here, there's a red button. First thing you want to do is hit this red button and then immediately press the garage door. Now it'll blink rapidly and may not do anything for you. And if it doesn't, that's not your method. All right, now we're going to try method 2. Method 2 is simply basically the HomeLink cloning your garage door opener. So to do that, what you're going to have to do is it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. You're going to press and hold the HomeLink button, or whichever one you want to program, 1, 2, or 3, and the garage door button at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. This light's going to flash orange, and now it's rapidly flashing green. So that's good. So you're going to wait for it to stop flashing green. Now, it may or may not work, depending on your garage door opener type. And you can confirm that by pressing it. So now what the HomeLink has done in this particular situation, it has cloned the garage door opener sequence code to the HomeLink. But since the garage door openers have rolling code, now you need to sync your HomeLink with the garage door opener. And this is the third method. So if it opens and closes right now, you're good. If it doesn't open and close right now, what you need to do is you need to go to your garage door opener, find the red button or whatever color it is, the programming button, press it, quickly get back in, press the program button, and it'll flash really quickly and it should be programmed. Now, if we hit it, the garage door now opens, well, closes in this particular situation, and it's all programmed. So hopefully this method works for you. Those are all 3 methods. I say just give them all a try and see which one works the best. And when it starts opening and closing, that's when you know you need to stop.